Hi, my name's Victoria, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Blurb widget. The Blurb widget can be used to explain a little bit about yourself or maybe the services you offer, or you might have a few different team members or products you'd want people to know a little bit about. So you can see on this example here on our exposure demo site that we've got 3 different people there, and there's 3 different Blurb widgets there. You can also have it in this configuration here. By dragging the corner of the page, you can see that the page is responsive and all the elements move into a single column, just like that. And you can also make it so the image is on the right hand side rather than the left. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Once you've logged into your Workspace account, go to Website and Website Pages and select the page that you'd like your Blurb widget to appear on. You can see we've got 3 sitting here already. Here we've used the column layout section to arrange the Blurb widgets in a set of 3 columns here. So I'm just going to delete that one here and press OK, and then select the Add Widget button. The Blurb widget is under Text and Image Media Elements. So select that one and this window will appear here. With the drop-down menu here, you can select the image placement. So here you can see the top, left, and right. You can also change the shape of the image. At the moment it is a circle. If you untick this box here, it changes to a square. So it just depends on which one you like. I like the circle. To choose an image, you click Choose an Image. There are a few different ways you can upload an image here as well. So you can drag and drop a file or select a file. You can select from your events. You can select from your media library, where all the images that you've uploaded to Workspace in a blog or web page will be, or an image from a URL. I'm going to upload an image from my media library. So I'm going to select this image here and click Save. So you'll see a preview of that image just here. You can add a title, and you can also add a bit of text about the person or service that you're wanting to explain. So I'm just going to add some filler text into there. So once you've done that, you can click Preview, and there's your Blurb widget that we've just added there. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to send us an email at techsupport@queensberry.com.